So the next couple of questions here are based on some trigonometry. And what we're going to do is we are going to go through these on CAS as much as we can, but if we don't need to, we won't. So we're asking for the maximum value of this thing here. Now, looking at this is our equation. We've got an amplitude of 10, so it's going to go up to 10 by default. And then we're starting it at 2, so really we should have 12 as our maximum value. But we can check it by sketching. So let's go to CAS. And I'm going to sketch it from -2. So 2 minus 10 sine of 3, whoops, open bracket, no. Ugh. Ten minus, sorry, 10 minus? 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10, open sine, open bracket, 3x. And that's what I've got there. Let's find the maximum value. Menu, Windows, no, analyze, maximum, doesn't matter where, and there we have it there at 12. So that's what we've got. But like I said, 10 going up 2 to make it 12. Graph of this function, cos of x is transformed dilation 3 from y, and a translation of pi on 2 to the negative direction of the x and then 1 unit up. So it's going up by 1 unit, it's going to the left by pi on 2, and then it's being dilated 3 from y. So what we're having a look at is what we've got here. So if we look at all of our graphs, if it's a positive direction of the y-axis, we've got to do a +1. So it's one of these three. Then it's going pi on 2 in a negative direction, so it's going to be plus pi on 2. Unfortunately, we can't narrow it down anymore. Now, it's being dilated from the y-axis. So that means we're doing something to x. We're looking at the coefficient of x. So it's one of these two. So it's not that one there, it's one of these two. We've got 3. Now, if it's telling us it's 3 from the y-axis, it is 1 over 3. So as a result, we end up there with C. Okay, next question along. For the equation cos of 2x equals 1, the sum of the solutions over the interval of 0 and pi on 2. This is a nice, what they love doing this at year 12. It's a nice way for you to think about what it's actually asking. So we're not just after the solutions, we're after the sum of the solutions. So my advice for this one is let's open a new window. So I'm going to close this, going to open a new one. I am going to do this. I'm going to define f of x, and that equals cos of 2x cos 2x plus 1. Oh, sorry, cos of 2x. I'm going to say, now I'm going to define that, sorry, over a domain. I'm going to say it's between 0 and 2 pi. 0 x 2 pi, and I'm going to say solve f x equals 1 for x. That's my solutions, 0, pi, or 2 pi. Now, if I'm asked to find the sum of those, I'm going to add them up, pi and 2 pi, so 3 pi. So there we have D. Okay, and this question will be another video.